So once again I was in B&M Bargains the other day, the new IKEA for sensory. Got one of these tabletop disco light. It's pretty good actually. £6, even cheaper you see. That's it. Whoa, this is pretty good because I have to say that the effect is nice and slow. That is pretty awesome. Also, it does cover quite a bit of ground as well. Nice thing about this, of course, is that you can just put it onto an opaque surface like that, which is brilliant. This is amazing into an umbrella, either that way or even that way. It's just fantastic. Love it. And stick it into a box. So, a bit of Velcro on the bottom, stick it on there, boom, boom, and look at that. You've got a gorgeous visual effect there. Really nice, passive, fantastic for relaxation. Could be a really good one in the bedroom at night. It's lovely and it's cheap. £6 tabletop disco light from B&M Bargains.